we're going to look at the SpinnerChief Thesaurus exchange system and what it can do for you, either if you want to download a thesaurus to use or if you want to upload one to share, either free or paid. Just a point, if you do want to upload, you will need the details of the thesaurus. You need the number of synonyms, the number of word groups, and the serial number of the thesaurus in order to be able to upload your thesaurus. And you get that from SpinnerChief itself in the Manage Synonyms tab. So you'll need that before you start anything. Okay, so this is the main page of the Thesaurus Exchange, and you can see these are thesauruses on offer. There's only 2 at the moment because we've only just opened the service. So this is a free one. In fact, this one, if we go into it, you can see the detail. And this one is the extra one that you can download from the forum that many hundreds of people have already done. So you just hit the download button and you can get it free. And in fact, many people have made comments already on it. And there's another type, which is the charge type. We've got one here by a guy called Putin. I presume it's not the Russian Premier. So you just click on detail and you can have a look at what it's all about. This a man with no morals, apparently. He's selling the TBS and MAR thesaurus for $30. Well, I guess that's up to him. In fact, it's been downloaded 18 times already. Look. So obviously some people want it. So that's the sort of thing you can get. Hopefully in the future, if you can see by the list on the left hand side, we're hoping to have a lot of foreign language thesauruses here. Many people want them, and if you're capable of building one, I'm sure that you could make a lot of money from that by building a good one and uploading it. So how to use this system? Well, you need to sign up either way. If you want to upload or you want to download, you need to register first. And it's a very simple process. Just click here on sign up, and you're presented with a very familiar type of screen. You want your username in here, email, password twice, and then your PayPal. Now, the reason you want your PayPal email address in there is because that is how we're going to pay you. And we're going to pay you weekly for any thesauruses of yours that are paid for. So don't forget that part of it. Now, once you've hit the register button, you're going to get an email verification link, which you click and you're in. So what I'll do is I'll log in myself now, because obviously I'm already registered. That's me logging in. Now let's say I wanted to buy this somewhat dubious thesaurus of Putin's. I'll just click I can click the buy now button there, or maybe I might have gone into the detail first. Let's do it from there. That's all the detail. Okay, so I've made the decision to buy. Just hit buy now. And hit the buy now button there. Now once I've clicked that, it would take me into PayPal, where I would pay for it. And the download instructions are given after the PayPal payment is made. The thesaurus does need to be authorized for us. You will not get it instantly, but you'll get it reasonably quickly. We do have to authorize these thesauruses first before they can be used. Okay, so that's it if you want to buy a thesaurus. What if you want to upload one? I'll just have a look at that now. So you want to go into the control panel, your control panel. I'm logged in already, so this will go into my control panel. That's a very simple user interface. There's only really one button here, so let's do it. Upload a new thesaurus. And this is where you enter the details of the thesaurus. So you put the site on, if you've got one. And you put the language, English. Now let's give it a category. Let's call it that. And then that. Now, remember I told you need the details. So we need the synonym number of groups, which there is 34329. Total number of words, 319695. And then at the moment it says it's not charged, which means it's going to be free, of course. But if I change it to yes, then the system is going to be asking for how much I want for it. Let's call it a nice fat $50. And it wants the ID, which is there. I've already made a note of that, so I'll just paste that in and then hit next step. The next step it's going to do is ask me to select the file. Thesaurus. Thesaurus, that, just hit upload. Now this is quite a big thesaurus, it's going to take a bit of time. So what I'll do is pause the video while it finishes and then we'll come back as it's just about to finish. Here we go, a couple of seconds to go. So after the 100% you get that notice, upload successfully. This thesaurus will be shown on our page after verified by us. So it's got to be verified first, so it's not going to appear on the main page straight away, but it won't take long. But what you can do is have a look at it in your thesaurus management section now. Now that it's been uploaded, it now appears here, and so you can do things with it. You can delete it if you don't like it, you can update it, or you can download it yourself if you want to. And of course, you can upload another one. And then the other element to this page is the payment management section, possibly in some ways the most important part. There's no data to show here yet because I haven't sold any of the thesaurus that I've just uploaded, but really what you do is just put the date in here from 2 and hit the check button, and then you can see the commission that's due or that's been paid. Just take this opportunity to point out that you're going to get 75% of the selling rate. SpinnerChief takes 25% towards the upkeep and maintenance of the site, which, as I'm sure you will agree, is essential. So if you want $75 for your fantastic Serbo-Croat thesaurus, you will need to actually charge $100 for it. Cheap at twice the price. Okay, that is everything that to do with the thesaurus exchange system. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. Look out for the next exciting feature.